Maintaining a consistent speed is the key to a quality cut. If you're going too fast, sparks will fly up from the metal instead of exiting out the bottom. If the speed is too slow, the arc will waver and eventually go out. Getting the proper technique for cutting will take some practice, just like getting the proper technique for piercing in the center of a plate.
That's right. Material thickness along with the amperage of the system being used will determine whether to pierce straight into the plate or do a rolling pierce. For piercing thin metal, I'll place the torch perpendicular to the metal and pull the trigger. That's a straight pierce. To pierce thick metal, use a rolling pierce. Hold the torch head at about a 45-degree angle, pull the trigger, and then steadily roll the torch until the head is upright. This technique prevents the molten metal from blowing back up into the torch and damaging the consumables.
Cutting expanded metal or grating is just as easy as plate metal. Just switch to continuous pilot mode and cut as Mike described earlier. The arc will remain on between the cuts so that I don't have to keep refiring the torch.
To get better cuts, a variety of tools can be used. For example, I can use a straight edge, such as another piece of metal or angle iron, for a straight or bevel cut. For perfect circles, Hypertherm offers an optional circle cutting guide.
There are many jobs where someone might want to remove a weld or make a groove in the metal for welding preparation, or simply remove unwanted metal. Plasma gouging is perfect for these jobs. The Powermax 45, 65, 85, and 105 have an operation mode and consumables just for gouging.
To gouge, I'm going to use the new Duramax H65S torch, which already has a gouging shield and nozzle installed. I'll swap the torches, set the mode switch, and I'm ready to go. This is our new torch design, but our regular torches work just as well for many gouging applications. This unique semi-straight design gives me better control and also gets my hand further away from the intense heat. To begin, hold the torch at about a 45-degree angle to the metal. Pull the trigger and then begin moving the torch. I can get different groove profiles by making multiple passes or using a weave technique.
The Powermax 45, 65, 85, and 105 are compatible with a variety of automated solutions. Semi-automated systems, such as track and saddle-type pipe cutting and gouging systems, require that the on-off function of the plasma torch be done remotely. The Hypertherm remote on-off pendant connects to the CPC port on the back of the Powermax 45, 65, 85, and 105 models. Powermax torches are easy to install in universal mounting brackets found on these devices. Using the cut information tables in the operator manual as a guide, adjust the torch height and motion speed to the automated device.
Setting up fully automated systems such as XY tables and three-dimensional robots involves setting up communication between the Powermax power supply and a computer numerical controller, or CNC, and the torch height controller, or THC.
Hypertherm offers different options and configurations for mechanized applications. Our Powermax systems are very robust and offer the lowest operating cost because of advancements in power supply, torch, and consumable technology.
As you've seen, Powermax systems are versatile and very easy to use in a wide variety of cutting and gouging applications. The best way to determine which Powermax plasma cutting system is best for you is to visit an authorized Hypertherm distributor and try one for yourself. Thanks for watching.